In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can download your WhatsApp in mobile or desktop. So it's pretty simple. So the first thing is make sure your internet connection is stable, because if your internet connection is slow, then you won't be able to download WhatsApp. So make sure it's stable, and after your internet connection is stable, go on Play Store or App Store, depends on the phone which you use. If it is an iOS, then it's going to be an App Store. If it is an Android, then it's going to be Play Store. And once you're in your Play Store, on your search bar, search for WhatsApp like this. And after you search for it, this is going to be shown over here. And as I've already downloaded it, there's not going to be an install button. But if you have not downloaded over here, instead of open, there's going to be an install button, and click on install button and wait for some time, and after some time it should be downloaded and installed on your phone. So that's basically how you install WhatsApp on your phone. Now on desktop, so let me move on to my desktop real quick. So right now I'm on my desktop, as you guys can see. So let me teach you how you guys can download and install WhatsApp on your desktop. So basically go to any browser, and on your search type for WhatsApp download and search for it, and then go on this website where it says download WhatsApp, www.whatsapp.com. Go on it, and over here you can click on download for Windows over here. But if it is a Mac, then you can click on download for Mac OS over here. But ours Windows, so we're gonna click on over here and wait for it to download. So as you guys can see, it's installed over here. So let me install it real quick. So I'm gonna click on this after it's installed. Wait for some time. The setup is gonna open up over here. As you guys can see, the WhatsApp setup is opening over here. So wait for some time. It's setting it up real quick. It's basically installing it, and it's installed. So WhatsApp is installed. Now I need to go to my WhatsApp on phone and then scan the QR code as taught over here by following these steps, and I should be able to log into my WhatsApp account on my desktop. So that's basically how you download WhatsApp on your mobile on desktop.